So today's video is going to cover the passive infinitive. So we've seen infinitive since Latin 1, all the way back in the Red Book. And we've just learned about passives a few stages ago, And so now we're going to combine the two concepts. So we've seen the infinitives. They're the second principal part, and they look like this. Portabare, sedere, trahere, then let's just do venire. Alright, so we have first, second, third, and fourth. And we identify them, remember, by the vowels. A, long E, and I. Right? So this is the present active infinitive. And so we're going to form the present passive infinitive. Alright? And so to form that, you simply chop off this final E. Portari, sederi, veniri. And of course, like everything that it seems to happen, the third conjugation doesn't exactly follow the rule. The third conjugation still has this I, but it gets rid of the entire ending. So, trahi. Alright? So if we were to take some examples, let's do some other ones here. If I were to ask for amare to be in the present passive infinitive, what would you chop off? That's right, the E. You would add an I, and so you get amari. Alright, let's take dormire. We're going to chop off. That's right, the E. You add the I, exactly, and you have dormiri. Alright, second conjugation, docere. Alright, what are we going to chop off? Good, exactly, that final E. We're going to add the I, right? And so we have doceri. And then a third one, let's see. What would be a good third? Of course, none are coming to mind. Let's see, what do we have for in our vocab list? All right, extinguere. So we have extinguere from the third conjugation. You're going to chop off the entire ere and just have an I. Now, since we have now the present passive infinitive, what else do we know from this? Because what other forms are going to look identical to this, but not be called it? Right, the deponent verbs. So these present passive, these are what the deponent infinitives look like. And we've seen those now because we've talked about deponent and I've shown you the principal parts. But now we have this entire pattern set. So this is the present passive infinitive, and they also, just conveniently enough, look identical to the deponent infinitives as well. Alright, so that's all we have for today's video. If you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or email me. We'll see you next time.